So hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, we are in the fall season and winter is about to begin, and as a homeowner you should do a task for sure that I recommend to all is to clear all the weed, all the unwanted weed, grass, whatever you say, because this is the time of the year when you have to do this, because just in few days winter is gonna come, and it's all gonna be covered in snow. Now some of you may ask like why you need to do this. There are plenty of reasons, because if you let it settle there during winter, it will get a lot of moisture and seeds will spread. Then next spring it will be an absolute mess when you clear it. Okay, and the weed is gonna grow much faster than before if that happens. So this is an excellent time you should do before you close down everything. And considering the occasion of Diwali, I'm gonna do it sooner. I'm gonna do it today. So what I'm gonna do, like I have some gloves, I'm gonna put on some gloves and I'm gonna take them out. Okay, so that's what guys, if you have a house, make sure you do this, otherwise there could be some trouble. Thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.